What is the next look?
Dua Lipa.
Dua Lipa, oh yeah, so the inspired by Dua Lipa, so it's those beachy kind of undone waves with the 2 braids at the front. I've seen loads of people wearing this hairstyle at the minute with the 2 braids at the front and that kind of beachy wave at the back. So I guess I'm gonna show you how to do it in 5 minutes. My trick for this, if you wanna do something really fast, in 5 minutes, is to put the hair into 2 braids to get that really undone crimpy texture. So let's get into it. All right, so what we're gonna do is make sure you start with a middle part. My little trick when I wanna create a wave really fast is just to grab 2 sections of hair, almost like pigtails. I would spray it with hairspray first, so I'm using the cult favorite hairspray. This is just gonna give me a little bit of hold and control. And then we're gonna just do a low braid, a little bit of hairspray just to lock it all in. And then we're gonna tie that on the ends. Simple as that. Now, if you want your waves to go higher up towards the root, literally just go a little bit higher with your braids. But if not, you could even sleep in this. If you wanted to do a heatless wave, you could actually just sleep in this and not use any heat at all. But in the element of time, because we have 5 minutes, in fact, how long do we have left?
4 minutes.
4 minutes left, all right. So I feel pretty confident with this. Again, just tying the ends off just so your braid doesn't unravel. All right, now what we're gonna do is hit it with the Leandro Limited flattening iron. We're just gonna clamp this until the hair's hot. How long we got left?
We have 1 and you have 1.5 minutes left.
Okay, so you guys, you should get something like this kind of undone wave. So it's like very beachy and very natural. This is kind of very boho-y, which I think is really hot. Okay, now what you wanna do is get your braids in at the front. So I'm gonna use these little clear elastics. To get the braids in at the front, you just wanna take a section of hair. Don't make it too tight because the tighter you go, the kind of, I guess the more narrow the braid is. And I really like the braid when it's like a little bit wider. So just taking a section of hair, braiding it down. Oh, okay. All right, well, we ran out of time. So this is a 5.5 minute tutorial. God, I can't believe I lost it. Okay, so remember guys, I mean, I kind of don't, like I said, I like it really messy. So just loosening this up. And then to finish off with, I would just add a little bit of product. Some of the Pop and Lock from Color Wow. So this is a really nice shellac, gives the hair a great shine. So this will give me a little bit more control and a little bit more love on those mid-lengths and ends. And just kind of make the whole thing look a little bit glossier. And you should get something that looks a bit like this. So that's your 5.5 minute Dua Lipa inspired summer look. I'm still gonna give myself a high five.